Hello, and welcome to the Trailvia channel. Our planet is a world of wonders, from the deepest oceans to the highest peaks. But beyond our atmosphere lies a universe of infinite mystery, a cosmic sea that has captivated humanity since our earliest days. For millennia, we have looked to the heavens, charting the movements of stars and planets, seeking to understand our place in the grand design. If you find this journey as wondrous as I do, please consider liking this video and subscribing to Trailvia for more tales of our remarkable world. Astronomical observatories offer a portal to these night skies which have intrigued humans for millennia. Today, we're counting down 8 remarkable observatories that shed a fascinating light on the galaxies above us. Our journey begins high in the Swiss Alps, at a place that seems closer to the heavens than to the earth below. This is the Sphinx Observatory, perched precariously on a rocky spire of the Jungfraujoch, more than 11,000 feet above sea level. Reaching this outpost is an adventure in itself, culminating in a ride on the highest railway in Europe. For nearly a century, scientists have braved these extreme conditions to study everything from cosmic rays to glaciology, its metallic dome a gleaming beacon against the eternal snows. We travel now to London, to a gentle hill overlooking the River Thames. Here stands an institution that has shaped our modern world in a most profound way, the Royal Observatory, founded in the 17th century by King Charles II. A brass line set in the courtyard marks the prime meridian, longitude 0, the line from which all time and distance on our planet is measured. The observatory is a living museum, not just of astronomy, but of human ingenuity and our ceaseless effort to impose order on a chaotic world. Across the continent, on the southern slope of Mount Hollywood, another observatory holds a special place in the public imagination. The Griffith Observatory, with its distinctive Art Deco architecture and copper domes, is as much a Los Angeles landmark as the famous sign it overlooks. Since its opening in 1935, it has held true to its benefactor's vision, to make astronomy accessible to all, offering free admission to the public. Through this very eyepiece, more people have looked at the cosmos than through any other telescope on Earth, bringing the craters of the Moon and rings of Saturn into focus for generations. Our travels now take us to the Canary Islands, a volcanic archipelago rising from the Atlantic. Here, on the island of Tenerife, high above the clouds on the slopes of Mount Teide, lies the Teide Observatory, one of the world's premier locations for observing our own star, the Sun. The stable, dry air and high altitude create near-perfect conditions, making it the largest solar observatory on the planet. Scientists from across Europe gather here to study the Sun's complex magnetic fields, its violent flares, and the mysterious sunspots that pepper its surface. We now journey to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest non-polar desert in the world. Here, on the summit of Cerro Chajnantor, at a staggering altitude of 18,500 feet, sits the University of Tokyo Atacama Observatory, the highest permanent astronomical observatory on the planet, a location so high that engineers and astronomers must often use supplemental oxygen to work. The thin, dry atmosphere allows TAO's telescope to peer into the infrared spectrum with remarkable clarity, observing the dusty regions of space where stars and planets are born. We return to the Pacific, to the sacred summit of Haleakalā on the Hawaiian island of Maui. The name means House of the Sun, and it is a fitting home for the world's most powerful solar telescope, the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope at Haleakalā Observatory. Its massive 4-meter primary mirror allows astronomers to observe the Sun in unprecedented detail, capturing features as small as a city block. Scientists can now study the intricate structures of sunspots and the mechanisms that drive solar flares with breathtaking clarity, crucial for predicting space weather. Not all great observatories are found in remote locations. Our next stop is nestled in the hills overlooking the vibrant city of Barcelona. Here stands the Fabra Observatory, a beautiful example of Art Nouveau architecture that has been part of the city's scientific and cultural life for more than a century. Commissioned in 1904, it was from here in 1915 that astronomer Josip Comus Sola discovered the periodic comet that now bears his name. It remains a cherished institution, offering dinner with the stars to the public, blending gastronomy with a chance to look through its historic telescope. For our final destination, we ventured to the remote Davis Mountains of West Texas, a region of rugged beauty and profoundly dark skies. This is home to the McDonald Observatory, sitting at the heart of the Greater Big Bend International Dark Sky Reserve, the largest protected dark sky area in the world. What makes this location special is not just its collection of powerful telescopes, including the giant Hobby-Eberly telescope, but its setting. Far from the polluting glare of city lights, the Milky Way arches across the sky in breathtaking detail, a sight lost to most of humanity. From the frozen Alps to the deserts of Chile, we have journeyed to the very edges of our world to see beyond it. These 8 observatories are more than just buildings with telescopes. They are embodiments of our deepest instincts, to explore, to question, and to understand. They are our collective eyes on the universe. The stars have guided us, inspired us, and humbled us for eons, and they will continue to do so for as long as we have the curiosity to look up. Thank you for joining us on this stellar journey here on the Trailvia channel. If you enjoyed this voyage, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time, keep looking up.